measurements, I'll mark my bust point, my under the bust point, my waist point, and my hip points. After that, I'm just going to be going ahead to put all these points into a square form. Here, I'll mark my shoulder divided by 2, mark my bust circumference divided by 6 plus 1.5 inches here. I'm going to be making a line this way. This line here is my chest line. I'll connect it this other way. I'll come here, mark 3 by 3 as my neckline. Here, I'll come down by 1 inch. I'll connect it to this point, which is my shoulder slope. Here, I'll divide my armhole by 2. Mark it here, come in by half an inch, and make a connection this way. Here, mark my back circumference divided by 4. I'll go ahead and connect it that other way. Here, I'll mark my nip to nip divided by 2. I'll come over here and also mark it here. So my nip to nip divided by 2 was 3 inches. Here is my bust line, my under the bust line, my waistline, and my hip line. I'll go ahead and come to my under the bust line, mark 1 inch on this side, 1.5 inch on this other side. Here, I also mark 1 inch here, 1.5 on this other side. I'll go ahead and connect it vertically this way. I'll come here and step down by half an inch, go ahead and connect it this way to that half an inch, and then this other way to that half an inch. Over here, because it's an off the shoulder brush there, we have to be taking that part of the shoulder we are going to be taking off. It depends on what you want, okay? If you want to take away 4 inches, 5 inches, 6 inches, depending on the amount of shoulder and chest you want to expose, that will influence the number you should go for. But for me, in looking at the style we got our inspiration from, I'm going to be taking off 5 inches as off my shoulder. From my shoulder line this way, I'll just step down by 5 inches and I'll make a straight line this way.